From online shops to in-store purchases, I want to educate the youth by becoming young entrepreneurs by reselling products that increase income by reselling shoes or streetwear. From beginners to advanced reselling methods, I show you ways to make money from the comfort of your chair to early morning grinding sessions. Join me into living a reseller lifestyle.
What is up, everyone? My name is Izzy, and today's video is going to consist of me showing you guys how to cop the box logos for tomorrow for 2019. I'm going to be showing you guys two methods, using a manual method using the iPhone, as well as showing you guys a bot review on SellSneakerz, which is brand new, that came out this year. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for me. It definitely helps me out, and most importantly, make sure you guys put on that bell notification to get aware when I post a video. If you guys enjoy my video and think that it is helpful, please do me a huge favor and put the like button. Definitely encourages me to make more videos for you guys, as well as helps my channel outgrow. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding any questions about the bot or using the manual method, make sure you guys drop it down below. I'm more than welcome to answer your questions either in the comment section or make a new video in the future. So let's get straight into the video, guys. So pretty much I'm going to be showing you guys the review on the SellSneakerz bot. I'm going to go ahead and open that up really quick for you guys. And then I forgot to mention, but if you guys are also, if you guys are also wondering what the box logo is called, it is called the Supreme / Swarovski box logo t-shirt. The retail price on that is $398, and you're looking at the box logo, which is going to be $598. After taxes and everything, you're looking at about an extra $40 onto that, but the resale value for the t-shirt is going to be $1,000, if not maybe a little bit more. In regards to the hoodie, you're looking at $1,300 or more. You're probably wondering why the price is so high this year due to the box logo and the t-shirt. Well, the actual shirt is actually made out of crystals, so that's one of the reasons why it's going to be a little bit more expensive than the usual actual cost. So going back into the bot, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys and talking about what SellSneakerz is. It's basically a auto filter bot that just puts in your payment information. In order for you to use this bot, you actually do need to use Firefox. So it's going to be a little bit weird, since I know most of us don't actually use that web browser. We usually use Chrome extensions, or not Chrome extensions, like Google Chrome, and then as well as the Internet Explorer. So before I get into anything, before you open up SellSneakerz, you guys want to make sure that you guys are the current owners of this. Make sure you guys have the latest version, which is v3.3.1 on 4-24/2019. So make sure you guys have the latest bot before even getting started into anything. Pretty much how it works is this: you want to go ahead and just click on the region that you actually live in. You're going to go either EU or USA. For my example, I'm going to be using USA. The size that I will be going for tomorrow, since I know it takes a little bit longer to actually get, will probably be a size XL or large. I'm going to go ahead and use large for this example, I should say, since I'm going to be showing you guys the live cop necessarily real quick. So yeah, and then in regards to the card delay, you want to go ahead and use 50, since I know that's been a lot of successful rates. In regards to the mouse movement, just leave it at 1.0 unless you want to mess with it, but I wouldn't even try doing that. Regards to the auto refresh time, you want to click on 100%. If you want to go ahead and use a timer, you can. I heard that this does work, and sometimes it doesn't work, so it's really up to you. Since I am going to be on my computer, I'm not even going to click on the timer. I'm going to just let it be how it is. Right here in this area, right here, you want to go ahead and put it on your payment information. So for example, I'm going to use a fake one, Visa. I put 16 digits, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Expiry date, put 02, 2022, CVC, 654. In regards to the restock mode, guys, you can actually use restock mode using Google Chrome. Pretty much what you just click on that, and then it pretty much just does all that stuff for you. You might want to change the delay time though a little bit differently. I haven't used restock mode, so I can't help you necessarily in that area. Dual mode is pretty much just getting several of these stuff right here, down here. I don't recommend you guys using that due to the fact that I know that it does affect your rate of actually getting a card decline, so I wouldn't even recommend you guys even doing that. Regards to everything else, auto checkout is obviously recommended. Just to let you know though, that if you do use auto checkout, it will increase the chances of getting more captchas. So if you're on your computer, you don't necessarily have to use auto checkout, but if you are away from it, make sure you go ahead and click that, set up your timer. If not, then don't even worry about it. But even if you are on your computer and you don't even want to touch anything, you can also click auto checkout. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. But yeah, and then down here is a section where you actually put your key that you get from buying the bot. You can put it either on a server, which I didn't do it, I just used it on my regular computer. And then once that is completed, you will get this sign that says activated. Down here is pretty much how you're going to insert the stuff. I'm going to go ahead and be using an example for last week's guide. So I'm going to go ahead and put the border name. It's going to be embroidered. Let's see. Oh, whoops, I'm sorry. Embroidered. EMBROIDERED. Category jackets. And keep in mind, this is just from last week's drop, guys. So I'm going to be using this as an example so I can just show you guys how to use it. Make sure you guys have this sizing on the top left as well as this one that are aligned the same. If you guys don't have that, it's going to mess up the entire bot and it's going to confuse it. So make sure that this sizing here is the same exact sizing over here, and make sure you guys select the correct region. If you guys don't have the correct region, your bot probably won't work and probably is going to mess it up. So make sure you guys have all this information correct together. And then like I said, if you want, go ahead and click on active and then auto checkout. You want to go ahead and open up Firefox and go to www.supremenewyork.com/shop/new. It's going to pull up this page right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it pretty much. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start. I'm going to be blowing out my information since my information is already stored on here. For example, SellSneakerz does not, oh man, I think I just clicked out. Let me go ahead and open that. Supreme actually does not put in your information such as your email address, your name, your phone number, and etc. like that. So you're gonna have to just put that stuff in here beforehand, going into one of these items, going to edit, and then putting your information, put remember me. I'll show you that right now since it's gonna pop up, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks like when you put start. So remember, keep in mind all this information is 50, 1.0, and 100. Select your size and the region that you're at. Go ahead and input your credit card information, and then put the item that you want to do. The keywords will be provided for tomorrow morning. I will put it in the description or in the comment section below in case any of you guys don't have access to the Discord of SellSneakerz. So here we go. So I press start. It should be doing its thing. I'm not even touching anything. My information is already inputted on the left side, and of course I'm gonna get an invalid credit card number due to the fact that that was a fake card. The shipping handling is $10 obviously, and the sales tax is gonna differentiate depending on the item that you get for tomorrow. So like I said, guys, this is a $300 product and it's already $32, so you're looking at maybe about $40 to $50 for the t-shirt, and then maybe between $60 to $70 for the actual hoodie. So just keep in mind, guys, that you have that. Another way to make sure that you don't get card declines is making sure you call your credit card beforehand, making sure you tell them that you are going to be ordering something online for tomorrow. That way you don't get it called as fraud or anything like that. This is what I was talking about on the left side. So before you even do anything on Supreme, you can either input your information right here and you can click on save address for future orders. Obviously, like I said, this was a card decline due to the fact that I am not putting my real information on here, but that was just a quick version to show you guys. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped regarding the actual bot for itself using SellSneakerz. Big shout out to the owner, Rich, for creating this bot. I heard a lot of success, and I'm looking forward to hopefully copying several items for tomorrow. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a manual method using your iPhone if you aren't available to have this bot necessarily. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm going to be showing you guys how to manually cop something using an iOS system on the iPhone, on any iPhone, that can go ahead and autofill your information on Supreme. First thing that you want to do, guys, is go on to settings. Then you're going to want to scroll down all the way down to your Safari. Then once you get into Safari, you want to go ahead and click on autofill. Then go to save credit cards. And then you're going to go on to add credit card. So this is where you want to go ahead and actually input it. You can either do it manually by putting it inside of here, or you could use your camera and it would actually look up for it. But yeah, guys, so this is pretty much how you do it. And then when you go on Supreme, it will actually already have the autofill on there. If you have your face cam thing on the new iPhone X or the XS or the Max, you can actually enable it, and then it will get all the information for you. Now I do hope you guys do realize that It does take half a second for you to put your information on there, so you don't want to get card declined, so make sure you guys are a second delayed. If you guys don't do that, you guys will be caught and you guys will get declined, so just make sure that you guys do know that. But yeah guys, so this is how much you should do it really quick. And then you can also even do your other stuff too. Here, go back. As well as your information. So here's my information and stuff. So my info is already stored on there, so it's automatically on there in case you guys haven't purchased something else from Supreme before. So yeah, this is one method of using it manually using your iPhone, and I'm going to show you another one using a Chrome extension. One second. This is how it would look. So you go to Supreme New York on the Safari app, new, click on this one real quick, add to cart, check out, click on your name, and then here is my other autofill stuff. Click clean that, and then yeah, that's how it pretty much would go. And yeah guys, so this is pretty much how you do it. And then you go down here, card information, and then click on the autofill thing, scan credit card or whatever you got to do. And that's pretty much how you guys do it, guys. So that's pretty much simple and easy to use. And like I said, wait like maybe half a second and then go ahead and proceed your order, and then you should get either successful and hopefully you guys don't get card declined. So good luck for tomorrow, and here is just showing you how to do it.